To create a web app or bot, we need to download a free bot hosting app. Open the Play Store on your device. Search Bots.Business. Install the Bots.Business app. After installation, open the app. You need to create an account first. Enter your email address. Create a password and enter it. Agree to the terms of use by checking the box. Press the Sign Up button to complete the registration. Then click on the hamburger menu button. Click on Store. Scroll down and find Web App Development Contest. Click on BB Drop Blast Bot. Click on Install button to install the bot. After installation, go back to the main page. Then it requires a bot name and bot token. So go back and open Telegram. Go to the search bar. Search for BotFather. Start BotFather and send new bot command. Enter your bot name. Then enter your bot username. Your bot created successfully. Copy your bot token. Go back to Bots.Business app. Open the bot, click on Edit Bot. Paste the bot token and enter your bot name. Then click on Save and launch the bot. After launched, your bot is ready. Go back to Telegram and open your bot. Start your bot and click on Play. There are so many features in this game. You can use also full screen mode. Let's review some features. Click on Cloud to fridge 3 seconds. Add to home screen features available. Story share features also available. Premium users can set emoji status. You can modify your code anytime.